Kanekalon who? I'm sorry, we don't know her. Hey y'all, what's good? It's your girl Nai. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm happy to have you. And to my returning subscribers, hey boo, welcome back. So in today's video, we are doing some knotless braids, mini braids, plaits, whatever you want to call them, on my natural hair. So if you're interested and you want to know how I got this look, definitely stay tuned. But first, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell so you'll be notified whenever your girl posts a new video. Now that that's done, let go. So in my last video, which was Instagram controlled my wash day, I asked you guys to comment down below, what did you guys think my next protective style was going to be? So as you can see, we are doing mini braids, knotless braids, whatever you want to call them. But I just want to know if you got it the correct answer. Now don't lie, because I'm watching. Just kidding, y'all. But anywho, I did the back section off camera because that is just like the hardest part for me as far as parting. So I don't know what it looks like back there. Hopefully my parting space is good, but I'm about to show y'all. Hopefully I was able to see my length, but your girl was caught by surprise when I did my first mini braid because I was like, oof. My hair is getting long. Sometimes I be forgetting how long my hair is, and that caught me by surprise. Like, it looked like your girl got weave in her hair, but I don't, because Kanekalon who? I'm sorry, we don't know her. Just kidding, y'all. I do know her. Sometimes I get her every blue moon, but yeah, this is my real hair. Y'all about to see how I accomplished this hairstyle. So the last time y'all saw me, I had plaits in my hair. Well, I was doing my plaits, and then I put my my satin scarf on. So yeah, that's what's still in my head. I did this twist because I had to part my hair like in half so I can have like a better parting space. So that's why y'all see these two twists right here. So yeah, I'm just gonna take down the rest of these plaits here. Plaits and twists, and show y'all how I do this thing. Alright y'all, so I am doing a middle part, and I'm going to make sure that that part is nice and precise, but like kind of close to the end of the video, you guys are going to see me change my parting space to a middle part. I've been taking sections about that big, and I gave you all the option on Instagram to choose between the Shea Moisture Smoothie and the Texture ID Styling Cream. And as you guys can see, that the styling cream did win, but it was very, very close So I'm using that as my cream for moisturizing my hair before I braid my hair up, because you know your hair needs that moisture, especially if it's going to be in a protective style. So now I'm using this jam to put at the roots of my hair so that section can be a little bit more sleeker. And every time when I smell this jam, it just gives me, like, it brings back memories when my mom used to do my hair. Like, do any of you all still use any products that bring back memories whenever your mom or dad used to do your hair? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, let me know what product it was. So in this hairstyle, I decided to leave my baby hairs out because I wanted to lay my baby hairs. So keep in mind, if you decide to do this hairstyle, to always keep your ends detangled because it does get tangled easily. I found it easier and convenient to pre-section my hair so it'll go by faster. If you're still here rocking with your girl, I want you to go to the comment section right now and comment any random number that comes to your head so I know that you made it this far. Y'all can definitely tell that I was so over it because the sizes of those braids are definitely bigger than the others. But y'all, I was so freaking tired of braiding my hair. My arms was hurting. But at that moment, I knew I had to push through because I only had one more section to go. Woo, finally I am done, y'all. I was so freaking excited. I did leave out too much edges on one side, but that's okay because I'm about to finesse it. So I'm gonna just do my edges off camera and I'll see you in a bit. Hey y'all, so it's the next day. So good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you are watching this video. I forgot to record an outro once when I was finished with my hair. I was just too tired because doing this took literally all day. I started on my hair at 9:30 in the morning and I didn't finish until like 8 o'clock at night. Let's talk about patience, okay? Because, whew. But anywho, do you guys like this hairstyle? I am loving it. And I'm definitely going to keep this in for a while. So definitely be prepared to see this hairstyle and multiple videos that I will be posting for this month, maybe even next month, because I do pre-record my videos. So we just gonna have to see how this turns out, okay? But yes, she cute, right? She real cute, cute. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up, like smash that like button right now. Also, comment down below what you think of today's look. If you're thinking about trying it out, let me know. Let's chat. And if you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed to my channel already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell so you'll be notified whenever your girl posts a new video. We are almost to 1,000 subscribers and would love for you to be a part of this journey with us. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.